Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to be showing on how to do the experiment, changing the color and put it into the water. Let's get started. The material we need is a color pen, glass of water, transparent plastic, and a white tape paper. So firstly, draw the shape that anything that you want. For example, I draw the flower. Next, color the object that we have drawn. Then after coloring, it will look like this. Then put it inside transparent plastic and seal it. Next, draw back only the shape without coloring it. Lastly, dip the flower drawing into the water like this. As you can see, the color will change to white back when it's being dipped, and it will have the color back when it's being taken out. It is a magic experiment. It's so much fun. You can try it at home. Bye bye.